Assalamualaikum, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I want to do my final project, which is in Arduino platform, and I'm make a Arduino calculator project, and this is our last project, which is final project, and this is introduction. Firstly, since the moment of the mathematical problems in our daily life, there is the method that can be said to include many procedures or process, which is a process to make a calculator. Therefore, I have decided to create this kind of project work on the design and implementation of the Arduino calculator. It surely will give the good impact to the users in making calculation or something matters related to mathematical operation. So it means here with the Arduino calculator, we will make a mathematical operation or something related to the calculation more easier. An objective, I make this project, which is Arduino calculator, to construct a functional calculator with an Arduino platform. Secondly, to help the user to perform calculation regarding mathematical operation. And thirdly, to show how Arduino function in implementing electronic project. And here I can say that Arduino is not just can make the for this project, but in Arduino platform we will do main project like Arduino touch uh, lock door and something else. And this is my flowchart for this program, which is we will start and initialize display and initialize the keypad, and we need to get a keypad input. And if we get the keypad input, we need a keycap code. If not, the key code is equal to 0. And when we get a key code, we will translate the key, and is the key press and number. This display in number will store. The number will display and the data will store. And here, if not press a number, beside that we have operation. If we press on operation, the operator will display on the screen and the data will store. If not, the key press is C, which is clear, and on the screen will appear clear and the data also clear. And if an operator have plus minus, multiply and divide, uh, if we press for example we press plus, and display will become plus and the data also store. And if not, we press the fourth operator, as we press the equal, which is here the symbol, and it will compute the result. Is bit 7 on, we will get a new code. If not, we will get a new keypad input. Okay, this is the flowchart, and this is the main component that we use in this project, which is firstly Arduino Uno R3 and LCD 16x2, and keypad 4x4, and resistor that we use here is 330 ohms. And this is a project design on my right hand side. It will appear Arduino calculator by Izahazik when we start the program, and this is on my left side. This is example when I press 4 times 4 is equal to 16, and it will appear in float number, because here we can see we have a decimal point. This is project design when the project is big in hardware, but in this project I just made a software which is in Tinkercad. This is keypad like we see before. Arduino 3 power supply 5 volt and LCD 16x2. Okay, as a conclusion here, this kind of project which is simple calculator that made with an Arduino platform is totally succeed. This project with Arduino calculator will benefit to all the users regarding to the mathematical operation or calculation. I also learned more about the functional of Arduino that may give more advantages to the users like me. Why I say like that? Because Arduino is if we want to do project, we want to use Arduino. We no need to buy this hardware. We just only can make with software platform which is through the Tinkercad like I use it for this project. Or we want if we want to buy, it's not too the price is not too high. I think it's about 10 ringgit at Shopee. I think that's all for slide. Here we move to the Tinkercad, which is my program here, software program. Move to the coding first. Here we will move include keypad, include wire, and include crystal because we use LCD here. The liquid LCD is 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8 is the number here. Pin 11 until we connect to the here pin DB4, DB5 as your input. And here we use char for here at the rows 4 times columns 4. Use char and recharge rows times charge column. Here we can see 1, 2, 3, and actually A is plus, B is minus, C is multiply, D is divide, and hashtag is equal actually, and star is clear. You can see here byte row spin 7654. Here we can see D7, D6, 7. We connect to the rows, and the another 3210 if we connect to the columns. Here we initialize keypad and void setup. Here as we can see LCD print. Firstly on the first row you can see Arduino.calculator, and the second row is by Ijaz Haziq. It will appear on the screen when we start simulation. And this is a void loop. As you can see, it has case 0 until 9. And this case is will appear number when we start 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 until 9. And the next case is plus, which is A here. Okay, this is case for minus, which is B, case for multiply, which is C, and divide operation for D. And here we can see case for C is for here, which is star is clear data, and Y1 custom key will get the hashtag which is the answer. It will appear the answer that we got. And that's all for the coding. And here now we can start our simulation. Okay, as I said before, it will appear Arduino.calculator by Ijaz Haziq, first row and the second row. And here as we can see, if we times with the 7 times 7 is equal 49, right 49. And here because we have decimal point, because we here I said before. mm, we use float number. mm, where float number? Think the float is in the coding. You can see, I will give the GitHub link. You can see, because we use the phone number, because here we can see there are 0.00 is decimal point. We try then another 55 divide with 5 is equal to 11, also in float number. I think project is done. And if everyone want to see my coding, I will put a coding GitHub link in the description. And I think that's all for me. Thank you and happy Friday.